single day. I'm gonna make something great.
We have a box. This is a GAW that I won. And I must be losing my bonkers because I thought the giveaway was over, but apparently there's another drawing. So yeah, I think it's closed as of today. He's drawing tomorrow, or maybe it closed last night. He's drawing tomorrow. So since I won, I really don't think I want to, and I won through a pay it forward from the Michigan Woodsman. So that was just shows his character. He's a super awesome guy. Hang on and let's bust into this. Yeah, this box is really heavy, and I will have Jerry's link down below if y'all don't know him. Relatively new, and he's working his way to 300, or maybe he passed 300. Checking my Brussels sprouts. So yeah, let's get into this. Just hang on. Woohoo! And wow, looks like some green. Yep, green glow in the dark. Holy moly! And it glows really good. I can see it here in the daylight. Awesome. That's a lot there. That's 75 grams of ultra glow green. Oh my. Little old timer. Oh, looky there. Fine tool. I bet that'll work as a scraper, huh? That's nice. And I guess since you saw it in my hand already, look at that. Look at that awesome wood. Now, do you stain that color? Or is that just the wood? Cherry? That's what I was. That'll work great. Holy cow. Double win. We're digging, we're digging. Oh. Oh. And another handle. Oh. And another striker. Wow, I like that wood too. You see the color of that and the graining? I don't know if you can see the graining. I like that. Ooh, I like the turning thing that is that a lathe. That's cool. That's cool. Oh my gosh. This is like a jackpot here. I may have to do a separate one for this. Holy cow. Says, hey sis, I've added a few extra gifts that I think you might like. I know you said you already have ferro rods, but I had already installed you one in the rosewood. So this is rosewood. And let me tell you, that is pretty. Before I saw that. Plus you said you liked the handle for the second place prize, so I made you one, especially for you. The knife is one that I've used for carrying, for carving, and it worked good for me, but I have the matching one, so I wanted you to have this one. I hope you enjoy these items. Oh, you are just far too generous. It's one of Nathan's paracord goodness. Check it out. See, and I don't want to scratch that off and use them. And it's a matched set. Oh. And there's still a whole lot more in this box. Check this out. Piece of flint. And I don't know if you can see. Sparkles. It has quartz in it. And believe it or not, quartz is hard. So it will throw sparks. We have a thermometer. I don't know if you can read it. But it's showing 70 degrees. Yeah, it was only supposed to be in the 40s today. That would be cool to put down in a base of a handle. Guys, check it. This looks like the Holy Grail. This is fatwood. Yep. A fatwood handle. Holy cow. So, guys, I've run out of hands to show everything. He packed that box. Oh my goodness. So we'll have to start a fire out here. Fire it up. That's beautiful. I like the rosewood. You're awesome. Thank you so much. And you guys, his link will be down below. So please go check him out. Go stop by. Give him a sub. He does beautiful woodwork. Just beautiful. Holy cow. And I bet if you ask pretty nice, you could email and make him a deal, do a trade, and get you a set of ferro rod handles. Jerry, you're awesome. Thank you. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. This is going to end up being a video by itself. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much, and congratulations on the success of your channel. I know you're going to do fabulous. Your sub rate, your videos are awesome. Your craftsmanship is awesome. Guys, I just can't say enough that you need to go over and give him a sub. Hey all, D here. Playing. Hang on. 2 hawks flying. Oh, hang on. I missed them and they weren't hawks. It was a pair of peregrine falcons.